I am back with another video. This time with a very enthusiastic hello. So I got a request about you guys wanting to see my lipstick collection, but that is very impossible because this is full of lipsticks. How do I show you all of this? So I thought of something very innovative, that I'm gonna show you lipsticks that are under 300 rupees. That's right, you can get lipsticks under 300 rupees which lasts for like 3-4 months. So let's just start with the video. So these are the lipstick I'm gonna show you. I have chosen 11 lipsticks for you guys. So let's start with the first one, a lip balm. So for lip balm, I always lean towards Nivea. Strawberry Shine, this is for 157 rupees on Nykaa. So pretty good. I have been using this for like months. This much is left. It's a little reddish, thoda reddish sa hai, but gives a tint, hydrates the lip. Good investment. Get this. So moving on to the second one, which is another lip balm kind of a thing. This stays on for so long. मतलब I use it for college. सुबह लगा के जाओ वैसे ही रह जाता है शाम तक. This is Nivea, I think lip crayon something. This is for how much? 249 rupees. Thing to come out, you can see the shade. It is a little pinkish. So if you like pinks, go for this. इसके और भी colors होते हैं. There is a nude shade also which I recently discovered on Nykaa. Why don't I have it? Order. Let's now start with the lipsticks. So okay, let's start with everybody's most affordable favorite brand, that is L18. These are 3 of them, but the shades are only 2. I have 2 of the same shade because it's one of my favorites. So let me just start with the first one. This is Nude Fix. I dropped it. This is Nude Fix. This is like a very basic nudish brownish color. Amazing. This is great. Doesn't last very long, but for the price, 75 rupees, great. 75 or 100. I think on Nykaa I got it for 75 rupees. The fourth one that I'm gonna show you is another L18 one. It is this. What is the name? Let me just see. It is Mauve Date. Yeah. This is thoda sa darker towards the purplish side. I'm gonna wear all of this and show you. This again is for 75-100 bucks. You can get it on Nykaa or a local store near you. So Nude Fix is my favorite out of the lot because I have 2 of these, so you can see how much I love it. Moving on to Maybelline. Again, Maybelline is my favorite go-to brand. My foundation, my loose powder, everything is from Maybelline. So the lipsticks also, the one I'm wearing is also from Maybelline. I don't know what exactly is the name of this one. Don't remember the name of the lipsticks. I can tell you the shades. Don't judge me by the looks of the lipstick. I have not eaten this, okay? This is one of my favorite. This is Lively Violet. It's not very dark. It's not very nude. It's somewhere between very light purple and nudish. If you mix the 2 shades, you will get this beautiful shade and quite long lasting. This lasts quite long. Then the 6th shade is another of Maybelline New York. This is Pop of Pink. This is the one I'm wearing. By the halat of my lipstick, you can see how I put them. This is the one I'm wearing. So this one is a good purchase. This goes with dark color clothes also, light color clothes also, because this is pink, not magenta pink, hot pink, or a very light pink. This is somewhere in between. Beautiful pink. If you like pinks, definitely. The next shade that we have is another Maybelline New York, because I love Maybelline. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Mesmerizing Magenta. This is magenta pink, mesmerizing magenta. If you like pinks, this and this one, you should definitely own these two. If you like pinks, and this one, so you can definitely go for if you like nudes also. Let's move on to Nykaa now. So Nykaa has some very mini lipsticks, very cute ones. So I got them. Mini liquid lipsticks. These retail for 239 rupees. Written everything down. But these are very small. But they are super long lasting. Matlab, they can last up to 12 hours without a smudge. My guarantee. These two shades are quite similar, but they are not exactly the same. This one is 23 Janvi. So this is a little orangish. This is a little orangish kind of a shade. So if you like थोड़ा nude or reddish की तरफ जाता हुआ color, this is, once it starts wearing off, this leaves a pinkish reddish tint. And the next one that I have, the same range, the same thing, but a different shade, is 17 Gul. The names are quite interesting, huh? So these lipsticks might look very tiny, but they have quite a lot of lipsticks in them. I've been using this for over 3 to 4 months. So this one is quite dark. This is towards thoda sa purplish color. So this is thoda sa dark, and when this starts wearing off, still leaves a tint, thoda sa purplish sa tint. Very amazing lipstick that I love. This is Nykaa's Paint Stick. So this is over 300. The other shades, this one I got for 255, I think 255 or 235 something. I can't understand my own handwriting. I think it's 235. So I got this for 235. So I'm showing it to you because this is under 300. This shade is 20. Arey, why is the shade color not mentioned? Pretty popular, like me. So this is how it is. This is pura proper nude brown. Pura proper. And this is quite long lasting. Since it's matte, thoda sa dry ho jata hai. But if you put it on a lip balm, it's good to go for hours and hours. I love this one personally. If you ask me, out of all of them, I would probably pick this one. So the last one that I'm gonna show you is Nykaa Get Set Matte. So okay, again these are some shades are over 300, but on Nykaa some shades are under 300 also. So this one is Thirsty and it's under 300, 270 rupees. And this is quite a lot of lipstick, हाँ, काफ़ी ज़्यादा है इसमें. And this is काफ़ी ज़्यादा pink, मतलब पूरा proper not magenta pink, but हाँ काफ़ी dark pink. So on the lines of those, but this is also a beautiful color for party wear and stuff, but definitely leaves a tint. काफ़ी ज़्यादा लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है एंड इट डेफिनेटली लीव्स अ टिंट. सो थोड़ा लिप बाम के ऊपर यूज़ करें तो अच्छा है, बिकॉज लीव अ टिंट विच विल टेक अ डे टू गो. So yeah, this was my lipstick collection under 300 rupees. So these were my 11 picks under 300. Do let me know if you guys want under 500 also, because then there is a lot of variety to show you. Probably my favorite ones lies under that category. It lies between 300 to 500. And don't go by L18, definitely the most affordable brand. But if you ask me about Nykaa, Nykaa is one brand who has more lipsticks between 300 to 500, but their quantity is so much, these lasts for months. I mean, can't even tell you how much they last. This one has, it's still I think half, and I think this was ordered 5 months ago, something like that, and still half. तो मतलब पूरा साल for 200 something rupees, पूरा साल is amazing. And the same with this one. Can you see how much lipstick is in there? And I've finished half of it, still half is left. So don't go by the price. If you like a shade, it can till 500 I think you're good. That was my collection under 300. I hope you guys liked it, and I'll link all the lipsticks down below and you'll see the swatches and you can decide for yourself which one do you want to go for. Do leave a comment down below to let me know if you like the video and if you have any recommendations for the next one. I do take recommendations very seriously. Like this one, this was requested on Instagram. If you are not following me on Instagram, what are you doing? What is this behavior? Come on, follow me on Instagram fast and tell me there what you guys want to see. So अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो press the like button. अगर बहुत अच्छी लगी तो share it with your friends and family, and especially your girl gang who needs to know about this one. Do it. और एक वो subscribe का button है, उसको we'll press that because it's not there just to see. So just subscribe to the channel already and share it with everybody you know. Share the channel. And I will see you guys next time with yet another video. Till then, signing off.